Today I'm unboxing and reviewing this under desk drawer, a self-adhesive storage solution that costs under rupees 500 and promises extra storage without any drilling. But is it actually useful or just another gimmick? Let's unbox it and see if it's actually worth buying. Alright, let's see what we get inside the box. Plastic storage drawer with smooth sliding rails, a separate adhesive sticker sheet, no screws, no drilling, just stick and use. First impression. It's lightweight, it looks like it can do the job of storing small everyday essentials. Now installing this is super simple, but you need to apply the adhesive yourself. Here's how. Peel off the adhesive sticker and attach it to the top of the drawer. Remove the protective film from the adhesive. Stick it under your desk, press firmly, and hold for a few seconds. Wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes before using it for best results. And that's it. You now have a hidden storage drawer under your desk. Now let's talk build quality. It's made of sturdy plastic, not premium, but decent for the price. The sliding mechanism is smooth and the adhesive feels strong if applied properly. For storage, it can hold pens, USB drives, sticky notes, AirPods, sunglasses, small gadgets like a mini power bank. However, don't expect it to handle very heavy items. It's great for lightweight everyday essentials but not for things like big tools or heavy electronics. Now at Rs 479, is it worth buying? If you need extra storage for small essentials, yes. If you love desk gadgets, under Rs 500 definitely. But if you need something for heavy items, you might want to look for a more sturdy alternative. For a minimalist and budget-friendly desk setup, this is actually a solid pick. So, who is this perfect for? Students, work from home users who need extra space, gamers, tech lovers who want a clean setup, anyone who loves budget desk gadgets under Rs 500. For me, it's a simple but useful little gadget that keeps your desk organized without spending a lot. If you want to check it out, I'll drop a purchase link in the description. Go have a look. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite desk gadget under Rs 500?